So starting off by drawing a cube in planar view. The cube is rotated 30 degrees. I'm going to draw the frontal view of the cube as well. And we're going to project in the planar view, and then we're going to project in the frontal view. I'm choosing the projection angle right now. Then I'm going to draw the frontal projections. And then this is going to help us create our small volume, from which we're going to create the larger volume. So I'm going to basically extend this small cube in perspective. I'm using verticals right now, basically creating a volume that is proportionally larger. Right, I'm going to get the levels, the divisions for the levels. Adding detailing. So we're going to basically have floor levels. Now I'm going to add volumetric details for the facades. A vertical window and a balcony. The balcony covers the entrance. Then a canopy on top of the balcony. It's a good idea to always mark the corner, so I'm going to have a textured material as well for the corner to make it stand out. Adding steps, I'm going to have 3 steps for this house. Adding a window. Adding a window on the left hand side as well, just to make the volume look like a shell, like it's sculpted. Adding a textured material, that always helps. Going to thicken the lines so you get more clarity, and the volume is easier to read. Then adding some texture. Adding texture and perspective. Now we're going to add the cast shadows, 60 degrees on the horizontal towards the left hand side. Adding the last bit of the texture. Next up we're going to start shading. We got a bit of a background. Now adding some shrubs to cover the horizon line, just to make sure we got some entourage. So for shading I'm going to use orange for the textured volumes and yellow for the windows. It's a good idea to always thicken your lines. The thicker the lines are, the clearer your volume is, the easier it is to read. I'm going to shade and hatch the undersides of our building. Also adding a bit of shading for the transparency. So basically adding a bit of a darker color where the slabs can be seen through the window. Adding a bit of texture for the windows, the cast shadows. Always shading the shadows. I'm going to use this green to shade a bit of the grass. I'm going to use some blue for the sky. But again, we are just basically drawing an outline.